Solution of some important question from Kingdom Fungi. Question number 1. Which one of the following is wrong for the fungi? They are eukaryotic. This is true. All fungi possess purely cellulosic cell wall. This is wrong because their cell wall is made of chitin or fungal cellulose. They are heterotrophic. This is correct. They are both unicellular and multicellular. All the fungi are multicellular except the yeast, which is unicellular. Question 2. The imperfect fungi which are decomposer of litter and help in mineral recycling belongs to, this is deuteromycetes. They are fungi imperfecta. Question number 3. Which of the following option describes the cynocytic condition in fungi? The cynocytic condition in fungi described by the multinucleate hypha without septum. This cynocytic mycelium, they forms the partition wall only during the formation of the reproductive structures. Question number 4. Which of the following is a non-hyphal unicellular fungus? This is already mentioned. It is the yeast, which is also known as Saccharomyces. Question number 5. Lichen are mutualistic and symbiotic association between mycobiont and the phycobiont. Mycobiont is the fungal member and phycobiont is the algal member. Question number 6. Mycorrhizae are mutualistic and symbiotic association between, it is the fungi and the root of higher plants. This association help the higher plant to get the mineral easily absorbed from the cells, and the fungi get the ready-made food from the higher plant. Question 7. Fungi shows asexual reproduction by all of the following kinds of spore except the oospore, so which is sexual spores. All other are asexual. Question 8. Which of the following is the correct sequence of 3 steps in the sexual cycle of fungi? In the sexual cycle of fungi, there are 3 steps. In sequence, they are plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. This plasmogamy, mixing of the cytoplasm of the motile or non-motile gamete or the normal vegetative cells from the 2 different strains. Karyogamy is the fusion of the nuclei, and that result in the diploid condition. And finally, there is a meiosis, by which the diploid condition is again reduced to the haploid condition. Question number 9. Dikaryophase of fungus occur in, this is dikaryoticization, and dikaryotic myceliums are found in Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Question 10. Mucor and rhizopus are included in the class Phycomycetes. Question 11. Branch accepted cynocytic mycelium is present in albigo, or it is also known as cystopus. This is the characteristic feature of the Phycomycetes. Question number 12. All of the following fungi belongs to Phycomycetes except this Agaricus. Agaricus belongs to Basidiomycetes. Question number 13. Which of the following is extensively used in biochemical and genetic work? On this Neurospora, important biochemical and genetic work has been carried out, like this occurrence of the crossing over at the tetrad stage or the 1 gene 1 enzyme hypothesis. Which one of the following match is correct? Here the match import that which is correct is option B, where the alternaria, there is no sexual reproduction because it belongs to deuteromycetes. Okay, deuteromycetes fungus, they don't have the sexual reproduction, or sexual reproduction has not been reported till now. This option A, Phytophthora, this is accepted mycelium, it is true, but this is not belongs to basidiomycetes. Mucor, this belongs to Phycomycetes. Agaricus, this is the basidiomycetes, but it is not the parasitic fungi, it is the saprophytic fungus. Select the incorrect match. Here the incorrect match is option A, because morels and truffles are not belongs to the Phycomycetes, they belongs to Ascomycetes. Question 16, sac fungi includes this penicillium and yeast. This is belongs to class Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes, and the member of Ascomycetes are known as sac fungi, whereas Astilago and Puccinia, they belongs to Basidiomycetes, and Basidiomycetes fungus are known as the club fungi. This Alternaria and Trichoderma, they belongs to the Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes, and this Deuteromycetes fungi are known as fungi imperfecti or imperfect fungi. Thank you. Subscribe, comment, and share the channel.